goal for day one is simple. Understand how the Android ecosystem works, understand how to get an app onto the Android, and we need to get a V2 model displayed on the Android. Basically, I'm lazy, I want to go to bed, and I procrastinate. So it kind of works out. So I guess the first thing we need to do is pick a V2 model. Well, that took about 7 seconds. I cruised on over to my favorite Live 2D shop, Booth, and I found the aptly named Robot Girl. So meet Miyu. She's gonna be our robot girlfriend, AI girlfriend. Shoot. Robo Girl. Let's purchase the model, and I'll also leave a link down to this model in the description below, just because, you know, they do great work. Let's get started. Here's what I got so far. I downloaded the Live 2D Studio SDK, which is free, by the way. Then I went ahead and set up everything for Android Studio. Should allow me to install my own app on the new Galaxy here, allegedly. If you're following along at home, go to your About Me in your settings, find the model ID, click it 7 times, and it puts you in developer mode. Also, you need to disable a few things. There's an auto pop-up blocker you need to disable as well. Should allow for the server and my Android to talk. I think that's what I need to do. I don't really know. But let's see. All right, after about an hour and about 2 Coke Zeros, I was able to figure it out. I added some extra punctuation there. That was really throwing it off. Allegedly, it should work another hour and a half. So, we just want to see. We dropped the Miyu model in here. We just want to make sure it works. And there's our girl. There's Miyu. Look at that. Well, she's not much now. A little bit of texture issue, but we'll fix that later. The next thing I want to get is face tracking. You have to add some lines to allow the app to use the front-facing camera to track our face, using the facial camera in there, as well as get her to move. So we got to figure out the on-drag command, wherever that's stored. I believe that's stored in the LApp view. And then if we should get the on-drag, we can target it towards the camera, and it should just follow our face. Okay, so that was actually a lot easier than a lot of things I've done. I gotta say, Android Studio is amazing. The way it handles errors, I'm used to Visual Studio. Visual Studio is okay, but not like this. I am not used to this just simplicity. So, not only do we have her, we got her running, and we did face tracking too. So she'll actually, if I move the screen around, it's a little buggy. There you go. Can't really tell, but she follows me, and it's actually super simple because Live 2D Java that you download, it has all the parameters that like Live 2D would have already pre-built. It's just getting it to run on the phone, and it was super simple.